Sir, sir, you can't park there.
Херася, блядь. Ебать, блядь.
Ой-ой-ой, авария. Ай-яй-яй. Авария. Нет. Вот. Да, перед...
You love to disagree with me more than anything in the world. It's your favorite fucking thing in the world.
Right through the red light. Oh! Officer's ready there for him. Yes. Oh, he's going around that car. Oh. To the street, and as he comes into the intersection here, red light, he's going to go across lanes. There he goes, wrong side of the road. Traffic here is going to go blow right by those cars there and continue southbound from the tight situation there. We don't know if there's anybody else in the vehicle, but look at, there's the couple units that are getting involved in the shoulder to get around all this heavy traffic. He's got traffic for miles and miles, and he's got a car there. Oh, he just clipped. And then certainly can make its way. But he's looking, he's going through some construction cones there. Wow, very dangerous. And I don't know if there's any Caltrans up ahead, but oh, he just hit that car. Ugh, terrible, terrible situation for that driver. Yeah, unsuspecting. Yeah, he's no. Ugh. Ugh. Oh no, he might be carjacking. He might be doing a carjacking here. He's getting out. He went into the back seat for something. His car is smoking, so no, he's going to take off. I thought for a moment there they might try to carjacking an apartment complex, and he's going to push his way through. He's got another car. He's got trouble right there. How's he going to get around this? Oh, he's getting out. No, he's going to go. He's carjacking that vehicle. It looks like it's a female. He pushed her out of the vehicle. Such a danger. This man's going to try to help. Oh, this is a terrible situation. He's trying to fight them. He's got nowhere to go, though. That's terrible. That man's got to get out of there. He's trapped. He could get squeezed right there. He needs to back off and just let this guy take that vehicle. Look out. Wow, this is a terrible situation. They're hot on his track. There's the officer coming into the screen. Yeah, so now he's going to come back out, and it looks like the officers are getting ready up ahead to pin this guy in. There's a pedestrian getting out of the way. They could be pinning him in there. Oh, no, he went right through that intersection. So turn pocket, he's got some room to go there. No, he's got another car. He's going to have to jump the center divider. There he goes, jumping the center divider into oncoming traffic, and that's going to be a left turn. Hopefully it was just the woman there, but this is still westbound on Michelson. And, oh, look at him, hard on the brakes there. He even kicked up some sparks. He's going right through the Jamboree. Yeah. It looks like it looks like he might be on a rim now. Oh, no, he's going to hit that car. Oh, man, he just sideswiped that car there on the right-hand side. So that right rear. Oh, he's going to get out again. He's got his door open. Oh, man, so dangerous. Oh, he hit right up on the grass and continues on. This is Von Carmen, I think. Oh, he's at 8 o'clock, Patrick. 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. He's out on foot now. He's trying to run and he's running up this hill. He's going 10 o'clock, Patrick. 10 o'clock. Keep it coming around. It's a business complex, business area. He's got the dog coming at him. The dog takes him down right there. 12 o'clock, Patrick. 12 o'clock. The dog got him. The dog made the tackle right before he got into that business.
Social districts like Marcia. In this area.
Does he know he's fucking it up? Oh.